In my dreams, I don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. All I know, I don't wanna mess up, I don't wanna mess up. All I know is that I need you every second, every minute, and that I fall short every time that I look away, and I can't look away from you. No, no, I can't stand it. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. I try to do it all, I can't manage. I can't manage. I can't manage. In the darkest times, I wanna run away. Tell me I'm your bride, but not a runaway. When I see the light, won't look the other way. Said you wouldn't leave and that you're here to stay. I've been up before a minute, need to wake up. All these blessings looking sweet like get your cake up. Try to hide all of the sin, but with no makeup. Mercy never running red like get your steak up. Now I know that I have you every day and every hour, and when I feel sure you're right there to catch me, you catch me now, fall right into your hands. And every day it feels like a whole nother chance. Yeah. In my dreams, I don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. All I know, I don't wanna mess up, I don't wanna mess up. In the darkest times, I wanna run away. Tell me I'm your bride, but not a runaway. When I see the light, won't look the other way. Said you wouldn't leave and that you're here to stay. I've been up before a minute, need to wake up. All these blessings looking sweet like get your cake up. Try to hide all of the sin, but with no makeup. Mercy never running red like get your steak up.
Good morning.
Nothing, Phil.
Just this,
What was that?
the
Hey.
food, or what I got a lot of food and stuff in.
Nice,
So
man.
this is the good thing about this my truck, because I got the power
Got the
switch.
light.
Yep.
What time is it?
I think it's 6? No, sorry, 5:30. 5:35.
And we started out at 150, went down to 50 something. We have 212 miles left to go,
Something like that.
according to my phone earlier, I think. I made some pretty good headway.
Well, in case we had something, I wanted to make sure I put that right here.
Oh, in case of blowouts or whatever,
Yep.
or if stuff fell. So we're scheduled to be there about, what, 10, 9:30, 10?
Depending on how long the stops are in between.
Oh, that's bright.
Oh my God.
There you go.
We lost another one, Will.
What, the cap?
Dang it. Well,
Do we have an extra one anywhere?
No, but we used duct tape last time, so.
Oh, you better get it out there. I think I took it.
I'm having flashbacks. The truck is shocked to piss at me.
Oh God.
Let's go, $3.20 duct tape.
That's all you gotta have. That's all we need.
Hey God, it's me, what's up? It's a hypocrite. I know you trying to talk, but I ain't listening. And I got way too many things all up on my mind, but I would really appreciate if you
Sponsor me, please. I would love to rep Red Bull on my bike.
Don't they only sponsor people that do like tricks or like
No,
motocross or whatever?
no, I don't think so.
That'd be cool, having a Red Bull sponsor.
Anyway, where are we at? We are technically now in Virginia. We crossed the Virginia line like less than a minute ago.
Oh, nice.
We went through downtown Winston-Salem thanks to my GPS skills.
Wasn't too bad.
No, honestly, it was pretty good. And I think that those clips, other than the one that it went really blurry, would look really cool.
Yeah.
First time seeing that, so.
I agree.
But we have 2 hours and 2 minutes to go. Should be there around 9:30. By the time he's done, it'll be maybe 9:45, 10.
I'd say they were going to get about 10:30.
Yeah, because we have to stop again to get gas.
Yeah, that's why I was asking. I was going to see if he wants to throw some gas in it now.
I mean, all things considered, it's pretty good. Weather change is going to be very interesting this week.
Yeah.
What'd you say the low was again?
Low is 48.
Yeah, after it being 100 and...
Our lows are normally 95.
And that's on a good day.
So, gonna be different.
But apart from that, everything looks good.
Good to go. Check the trailer.
Okay. So apart from doing the unpacking and all that stuff, I really want to go take a look at the rock garden. I want to see if there's any cool spots to record or anything like that. We have 2 people that are wanting us to record this weekend after our race, but we'll be recording for those guys. So I'd like to go take a look at the rock garden later this afternoon before it gets too dark. Well, at least too cold. Holy frick, it's gonna get cold quickly.
It's 57 now.
Yeah, well, hopefully it warms up. What'd you say the high was? 75 something?
74, 75.
74, 75.
Alright, yeah, so we're on
So,
just over a half, so we should be good for a little while longer.
my ears are already bothering me.
Incredibly motion sick.
This is incredibly windy.
Cause man, I really feel like I can make it if I just had the right cosign so I could take it. I just hope that your sign and my cosign are always on the same side. And I'm sorry for that tangent, but I'm trying to be the opposite of Marilyn Manson. I really can't afford to be out here looking rancid. Can never force the faith. I know you wanted to be candid, and forever I am grateful for you setting the standard that like next Mike. Your music really speaks to me, but you're like next Mike. Believe me, I'm trying to get up on these actions, but Lucy trying to come at me with all of these distractions. But I need you to pray for me. I need you to save me.
I didn't miss this sign. West Virginia, baby.
I need you to save me.
I swear I really need you.
I'm not heavy.
That means rock garden where? That way or that way?
Like my hands are gonna be any better walking on this stuff. Jump that? Oh, that. Yeah, I get. Well, you can't really see it on camera, but that's like, there's a lip right there. Probably will jump it. What? Mine's the less.
I'll probably come into the woods right behind you.
Probably so. I mean, depends on if you get your jump good.
What you want me to do? Beat everybody to the thing and sit there and wait on you?
I don't know. It depends on how many people are in our class.
Here there were 17 last time we were.
Okay. Well, at least it's a broad field.
Watch it be just the 3 of us. That would be hilarious.
Probably so.
We'll go 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Then I ain't gotta worry about nobody but y'all.
Yep.
Then it's every man for themselves. Everybody's got the same pit. Everything's the same.
Yeah, I just have to wait for you to send a tie rod through your A-arms again, and then I'll be good.
Or don't say that.
Another tree.
Don't say that.
Hey, it ain't wet here, baby.
You don't know.
I'm
Once
talking
the
about it
dew
ain't
drops
wet
tonight.
Don't say that because it's probably it's gonna rain just because you said that.
What the? Dude, that's a whole stigma put on this entire weekend right there.
So I'm probably.
Two sentences.
Oh no. Oh.
So
Oh no.
yeah, this is.
Oh lordy lord.
So
Hey, so this
Here
is
it
the path
is.
that they come
this is the
across?
bottleneck path here. This is the path that I took.
Okay. So hold on, let me go back to the start of this because I watched this on video and I said this path to the, I guess to my left, to it would be to our right when we come up. For the amateurs at least, looks like it's the easier path, but it depends on where everybody goes because there's multiple different avenues that you can go down. There's this one here, there's that one down there, there's one all the way down there, so it kind of depends. So yeah, this is rough.
What's the easiest approach, Andrew?
Honestly, to me, if you can squeeze it, if you can squeeze it, come down this, go up this path here, and then straight. Because every rock right here is like at a different angle. Every rock here is flattened. Down there is easier, but I guarantee you more people are going to take it and get bottlenecked up there where you're not looking.
Right there is where the problem is.
That's what I'm saying. Everybody's going to take that path and get bottlenecked down there.
It looks easy until you get stuck there. That's where I stalled the very first time.
Yeah.
And then this is where I got
Coming into this.
That is, I don't know how that hasn't fallen.
What?
That tree.
Jesus. I don't know.
It ain't
Look
quite
at-
rotten out yet. But
When it does, it's coming down.
coming down, come through here, up that way across and around.
I mean-
if I can think about it, because that right there's gonna be absolutely impossible. That right there's gonna be those
Yeah,
rocks
you're not
right
getting
there
over
is-
that. I mean, that rock. Well, go put your leg in there.
My leg in there.
Like, go, just stand, move. Oh, it's not focusing. All the way down in the hole. So, that's like,
Should we try to move this rope?
no. That's really the only way to get up that. Yeah, you can't tell, but that's like a
Is that in
foot.
the rule book?
That's like a foot and a
I
half.
don't know what's in the rule book.
Can't move
So
obstacles.
no, but if you do end up having to go this way, try and swing wide up here. Put your front right on that tire or on that rock right there.
Okay, I got you.
What?
Yeah. Come down, turn, and go up that way.
That's a good one too.
Well, it also,
Depends on how many people are standing
That's
here.
what I'm saying. That just really depends.
you have to think
Or-
we blast off 16.
Let's see what this kid does.
17. There's 17 other classes that have to make it through this.
I don't even know what it's going to look like in the third round.
Now, to be honest with you, this right here, this is the start. Right up there. That's that little like.
Freaking, you go up, down, back, all the way back.
I'm telling you, I don't think we got a good idea of it from the videos. We watched a million videos, but we definitely didn't.
I think I forgot more than I remember.
We definitely didn't get a full sense of this place. I mean, that's why that guy said on that video. I forget whose channel it was, but he said it was.
He said
Possibly-
snowshoe was easier
He
than
said
this.
possibly snowshoe and Ironman. Actually, he said Ironman was easier than this.
I thought he said snowshoe.
No, he said Ironman.
But either one, if I can make it through this, I'll go to snowshoe.
Yeah,
The rocks don't.
I would love to go to snowshoe.
I'd love to go watch snowshoe.
But so you know that little like vertical thing that I was talking about, where it's like a weird slant. That's that right there. This is on the other side of it.
Where at?
So
Oh, the downhill.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where we were at earlier.
yeah, after the running bit on the start, this is the last obstacle you have to worry about before you deal with the rock garden.
I mean, not to say I expected this, but I did kind of expect this. Yeah.
Come on down with
How did I get on camera duty today? Normally I'm the idiot running around throwing rocks.
You can still do that.
I'm gonna act like the camera's a rock.
No, don't do that. Yeah, none of this goes up.
Ooh, Will, what was this plant called?
What plant?
This.
Goldenrod.
Yeah, that one. Back from the Mountaineer. Time to clean up. Let's get to it.
Accident without a cause. You're more than just body and brain, and he knows you by.
Yeah, he working on me. I say he working on me. Listen. Check. Okay, look, I was only like 11 when I found my purpose. Tapping into heaven when I write my worship. And I know we just, and we far from perfect, even though we just, homie, we stay working. Nostalgia, your parents like, I love that tone. This a sample that gon' make Jesus come back soon. Satan thought he had the victory, he spoke too soon. Cause after
now we the coldest, yeah, I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions all them times, I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.